We have just arrived at Malice Manor for their Horror Nights event. That's their summer slasher show. And this is one of the first haunts we're trying out a new app called Scream Score. It works off our smartwatches and tells us how actually scared we get when we go through. So stick around to the end to see how those scores come out. But without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Uh-oh. He says your scream score is getting real high.
He's
you know that, right? Our scream score. Get it?
Scream score, yeah.
We're taking him down with the scream score. I'm gonna have the highest.
We've got to have the highest.
We gotta have the highest. What is Tyler doing? I know he's making a goofy face.
Oh, the door's opening by itself.
All right, guys, have fun.
What's your meter
Lindsay.
at?
Right now we're excited and at 133.
130. There's a 13.
Oh, 129.
Oh, okay. We're good now.
I hear Mama Boy's song.
Hello. Welcome, please. Come in and have a seat.
Mary Shaw? Yeah. Okay.
Billy, we have visitors. What do you say?
Oh, that's not creepy at all.
Billy,
Oh.
that's not very nice. I don't care if it's true. It's not very nice. On behalf of our host, Nora and Connor, that's right. We'd like to welcome you to this killer evening he's put together just for you. I'm sure he's really slayed it tonight. Really quite. So, why don't we get this party started with a little poem about me? Mary Shaw, the children on the dove. And if they see you in their dreams, Billy, what should they do?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We don't do that. We don't scream.
Yep.
Billy? Billy, be nice.
This way.
Oh gosh. We're gonna sacrifice ourselves to the fireplace. Thank you, Mary. Thanks, Billy. You guys in the comments, guess which slasher is next. Oh. What is that? That's Jason. Jason's next. I didn't even know it was there. Shoot balls. Oh my God. It's not you. He's got a freaking machete and it's hard. He's touching me. Oh God. We gotta go that way, Lindsay, somehow. Save us. Okay. Oh no.
I can see you
Oh God. I forgot that he could touch me. We're at 153. We're doing great. Oh, shoot. I'm glad that did that again.
Oh no.
Yeah. He's behind you, Tyler.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my God. He's tall too. Oh, look at him stalking. Oh my God. Yeah.
Where you going?
Oh, he disappeared real fast.
Do you have any candy?
Oh, it's Sam.
Oh, we don't.
I have a sticker. Does that work?
Whoa.
How about a sticker? Here. There you go. Yeah. Oh,
like-
you're welcome.
That's good. That's good.
Okay. Oh no, who could be in the toy room? Oh, hell no. Oh, it's red. Okay. Looks like
Oh God.
Oh, Lordy. Okay.
Oh, she's getting up.
Oh, she's
No.
Look at Oh, no, I'm not doing
Think we're, are we good? Maybe.
it. I don't know, Lindsay. If we're ever good. Oh, it's Jeepers Creepers. You hear it?
Oh,
it's
I
the
hear
Creeper
it.
song. That is not the Creeper.
Say your prayers.
No! I don't have any!
Not creepy at all.
I do not like this part.
Crap. I hate this.
No, turn the light back on.
No cheating!
I'm not touching the f***ing wall.
Don't touch it. We can't touch the wall.
I'm trying to
It'll
use my
suck you.
tail.
She's using her tail!
Oh, there's a shot pad. Watch it.
Lindsay, where'd you go?
Right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a wall.
What is it? What is it?
It's a wall.
Okay. Oh, there's something there. How
Really,
I touched
Nora?
it? That was not a good idea. I did. I
I
touched
did not
it.
need to hear that.
There is something there.
I'm not f***ing looking.
Oh, something touched me. Oh my God. Something.
Jesus
Christ. Oh!
Oh, I heard
I
something.
know.
I heard something.
It just did that. I don't trust you.
We are not good. No.
Oh, it's got long nails or something.
1, 2, Freddy's coming for you!
Oh God! No, Freddy.
Definitely smell like a dream and a nightmare, I'll tell you that much. On a bright time, bitch!
Yeah!
Night tonight, pretty boy!
Oh, nice. Oh no.
What's here? If anything.
We are still up in the 150s. What is that? I don't know about you.
Oh no.
Don't be mean mugging me. I know.
Gotta watch it. Oh god.
No.
Yep, he's coming up behind me. Oh god.
Oh.
Some of Johnny's foot.
No. Oh, the twins are eating Johnny. Oh my God. That did not happen. Oh, that just nailed Lindsay. Wow. It just pile drived you. Go.
Oh no.
I don't know how to get that off. Okay. Uh-oh, she is not gonna make it. Oh no! Stop it! Mother fudge! Stop it! Everywhere, I hate this! God dang it! Fudge,
so gross.
fudge. It's very gross. Do they keep putting more eggs in here?
Probably. Just for you, Nora. Oh God, look at that.
I can't help you. They're always looking at me. They're looking at me no matter where we go. We're at 155.
We got everybody? All right.
He's cute. Oh, we done got him one. She's squeaking back at you. Yeah. Are you gonna kill us?
Maybe.
Maybe later. You be nice. You be a nice clown. Oh my.
Hello.
May I help you today?
We're looking to live.
For you, I recommend some finger food.
Finger foods.
And for you, good sir,
Oh.
Oh,
mind is a terrible thing to waste.
I tend to agree.
I like
right
that.
this way.
Oh,
You'll
nice.
have to excuse me, I'm having some friends for dinner.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, that fish is too big to feed. What is that?
Is that the creep?
Whoa. Ah! Jesus. What are you doing?
But that's
Who
not.
is that?
Hi.
Oh. Oh, no. We're going this way. I don't like it. No.
Go.
Tyler.
Is he going?
He's behind you. I'm going this way.
This way.
Oh.
Hi, darling. How we doing tonight?
Good.
Good. Wonderful. Listen, the drinks that I make here at the manor, I promise you, baby girl, they're gonna get you real wet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that noise you hear inside under your bed. That's just me, baby. Don't even worry about it. I promise you'll leave here horny.
Oh my God. Oh, okay. I can't pull you out.
Oh, I don't trust this.
I don't either. Whoa. Got skinny for a minute. Oh no.
Careful.
Be careful.
Uh-oh. No.
What is it? Uh-oh. Wait till you see this.
Okay, let's
Shoot,
go.
shoot, 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 shoot.
Oh, Nora.
Oh, no, not me. Not done with you. No, Tyler, go. Oh, God. Okay. I didn't do it. I did not pick up the phone. Holy shoot. That got me.
Good.
Great.
I'm gonna lose her.
Alright, what's the score?
I don't know.
What do you got right now?
I have a 151 right now.
151?
What does that mean?
151, so what's the final?
I don't know.
91.395
That's
for this
the
one.
highest so far, isn't it?
I want to let you know if you want to find more haunted houses like this near you, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. And also sign up for our newsletter. That's where we'll give you notifications about all our new videos and any new haunts that we find. And like I say, we got all of our in-depth reviews and ratings and all of our new Scream scores on there. And also like and subscribe